everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Shama Una and thank you for stopping by. If you are visiting my channel for the first time, thank you for tuning in, and if you are a returning subscriber, thank you for stopping by. Yes, so today's video, like you can see from the title, I'm going to be showing you how to prepare Nigerian chin chin, the best recipe. Like, there's one secret ingredient that I'm going to put there, going to change chin chin from 0 to 100. So please make sure you stick around. So the ingredients I'm going to be using today for our chin chin, I have flour, I have sugar, I have butter, baking powder, milk, egg, and our secret recipe, nutmeg. You need to try this recipe and get back to me. Just put nutmeg in your chin chin and it takes this taste from 0 to 100. So let's get to it. So the first step is I'm going to mix my butter and my sugar. Any amount of sugar is fine depending on your taste buds. I think this is fine. So now the next stage is to add our secret ingredients and nutmeg to the butter. The next step is to add our eggs. I've broken and beat them. Then the next stage is to add our milk. So mix slightly. So baking powder, I like adding it to this mixture and just stir. Put my oil on fire to heat, so I'm about to start frying. So this is a batch. So it depends on how you like your chin chin. I like mine slightly brown, so I'm just going to leave it in the oil for a few minutes and then I'm going to remove it. And this is my other batch that finished frying. So yeah, chin chin loading. So guys, I'm done frying my chin chin, and just take a look at this goodness. My quarantine is about to be lit. Thank you for staying throughout this video. Please make sure you like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.